Hey everyone, welcome to my new video, and in today's video I am going to show you how you can generate a signature from a typed word. You can type some word in your keyboard in some box and this will generate a random signature for you, and this is almost same as you can signature on a paper like the mixing word or something like this, and this is completely free. You have different option to choose from. So let's jump into a tutorial and learn how we can generate a signature from typed word using my keyboard. So first of all, when I come to our PC, we need to open any browser. Here I am using the Google Chrome browser. Now from here I have already added a link in the description, or you can also check the I button to go to the site. Here is the link of this site. This is the cocosign.com/signature-generator. This is the address, and this is a free signature tool that you can download, but there is also a pro signature version that is you can embed through a link, but we do not need this. We can just download the signature and use in our documents, and I will show you how you can use the signature in some documents. So here you can see the site. I just press enter on my keyboard and we already in the site. This is the CocoSign. From here you have two options. One is draw signature and another is type signature. So first of all I show you how to use the draw signature. So if you click on draw signature, you can use your mouse to draw some signature. Like if I just try here, so you can see the signature right here using my mouse and not any pen or any other thing. You can see this is come rule. So you can modify this and change some other things, and you can, after you complete your signature, you can just click on this download or save button, and then it will automatically download. You can see here this is downloaded. It will not ask for money. You can see this I have already get this signature, and I will also show you how to use this one. So I just close this one, and they are telling to start a trial of this CocoSign, but we do not need anything. So we just again go back to our previous page, again go back to our main generator, and here you see the two types of generator, the draw signature and the type signature. Now we will try the type signature and how it works. So I'll click on type signature, and here you can type what you want, like your name, any other things. So I will use this word Matthew, or if you have two or more words, anything you want, and you can also capitalize or smallize any word. Like in the signature main time we use the first letter in capital, and I also give here, or if you want to use all the letters small letter, you can also use that. So after you type the name or any other name you want, then click on continue, then the magic happen. Here you can see a lot of suggestion, and not only this, the first option, few options are just simple, but if you go below and load more option, you can see this is really good signature, and this one also. And if you load more, you can see this one and this one. We have more option. Here you can see this is something like you written with a pen or something like this. You can also see this one also, and this and this. So this was the suggestion here, and if you go to their pro version, you will get more suggestion. So now I'll show how you can download one of the signature. So I'll click here, and you can see there is option you can change the color if you want, but we'll use black here, and then click on save. Then what happen, it will come to our file manager, and you can use this from your PC anywhere you want. Now I will create a new document, and I will show you how to insert this in a document. So here I can just create a new paper, and then I just type signature, and here I can add the signature that I have just created using this CocoSign. So after I come here, I just browse the signature from my PC. Here you can see the signature I created. So I will use both of them. Like I just drag this and paste here. Now you can see this successfully inserted in my document. And if you want to resize this, like you can resize this, and if you want to crop this or send back any other things you want, like if you want to crop this, you can also crop. Now you can see you can just move it anywhere you want, and you can also change the position where you want to place the signature like this. And if you want to add any more signature, you can also do this, the scum rule signature that I created using the draw tools. So I hope you get the idea how you can generate a signature using a type word in your PC, and this video was a brief introduction how you can do this. I hope you understand in details. If you need any help or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section, and I will see you with some new tricks and new help very soon. I'll see you guys on the next video.